To who are you gonna give the special biryani?
I promise on his birthday. So
birthday. Celebrate.
Birthday pa rin, Brian?
It's a 3rd day birthday. Thank you so much.
Sana all, may biryani. Kami tingin-tingin lang. And then, di ba? For today's order yan, guys. Longganisa and egg.
but Ryan want biryani.
Thank you.
Meron pa kaming biko dito. Tira sa birthday ni Brian.
3rd day sa labit ko.
Correct. Biryani din pala kay Ryan. Ano na lang ako?
How's it, Brian?
Wala ako. Good, Brian?
After I changed some modifications cooking biryani, he did not eat this first time.
Yeah.
Happy breakfast.
Biryani breakfast.
Biryani breakfast.
Is it still hot?
Guys, we are looking for a new salon so me and Daddy can cut our hair since we just moved to our new house. So
And we found one so far.
yeah, hope it's a good one.
Ryan? Okay? You like the haircut? The salon is good, price is good, and the haircut also good. We really liked it. And nearby only. We really find the right one now.
Ayan guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-deliver ng mga biryanis. Nandito kami ngayon sa Dakodaw area kasi naubusan na kami ng mga containers para sa ating biryani guys. And may shop daw dito na medyo mura lang. So, i-check namin. Ang pangalan niya is Golden Fung Supplies and Daily Necessities. Medyo traffic pa naman dito na area. Pero 1 minute na lang daw. Kailangan na lang naming hanapin kasi first time namin napuntahan ito.
Your destination is on the right.
Yeah. Ito. Okay.
We park like that.
Seems like everything is available. But check the price. Is it really cheaper here? So how much is this?
52, 48.
48? Is it cheaper?
Yeah, of course it's cheaper. This here is 10 pieces only. I think they are 5 pieces only.
Single pack also? They have?
Yeah, they have.
This one? Oh, this one.
See, this one is what we are having. The family breakfast.
Let's ask how much is that. See, lahat available. Even trash bag we don't have, right, Daddy?
Medium size.
We can get trash bags from here. Straws. There, Raita boxes. Huh?
Yeah, it's the only one that I'm looking for.
Ayan guys, nawalik na kami ng bahay. Mas makakamura nga doon guys. Pero dapat marami ang bibilhin nyo. Like 100 pieces, 50 pieces, ganun. Parang wholesaler sila. So, hindi pwede yung pakonti-konti lang. Pero, okay lang, at least may stock na kami ni Daddy Ram. Hindi naman mo problema kung meron pa ba kaming lalagyan para sa biryani, ganito, ganyan.
The box's price, maybe wholesale and retail price is so much difference.
Yeah.
A lot of them actually suggested, right, our subscribers. Yeah, really. Thank you guys. It's a lot. The difference is a lot.
Bro, okay ka lang dyan, bro? Bakit parang malungkot ka, bro? Wala bang internet, bro? Naa? Oh. Muna ang gipalit, bro. Ang dami, di ba? For the biryani business. Trash bags. Ito para sa raita. Plastic bags. Then, ito.
It's full packs. Full pack covers. Full packs.
Tapos yung single pack. Then, ito yung para sa family pack, guys. So, ang dami. Diba? Let's keep it somewhere. Did you eat already?
Yeah, pancit canton.
You like the pancit? Tita Joy said you like so much the pancit. You got 2 plates, right? Wow, pancit. O, diba? Muntik pa tayo maubusan. Kaya tayo, guys. You remember? We had some street food, right? A few days back here.
Yeah, at home, yeah.
The squid ball. They use here also.
Oh, yeah.
Squid ball, chicken liver. I don't know what's this.
There's the one maybe.
Yeah, but that one is white, right? Become orange. Ay, gutom guys. Hirap maghanap buhay. At least, Ryan like this one also. Most of the Filipino food is eating now. And you also?
Not all.
Yeah, but as compared with this one in India,
Yeah.
you are more interested now and exploring.
I think they're fair because there's a freaking adult. I think there's a I think they win because there's an adult.
Can anyone teach me?
How to play this? So,
Can anyone teach me?
So you know already, okay?
3 all.
Out.
Who's new? A new member.
Who's the new member daw? Bryle. Taga-asa ka ni siya?
New friend.
Ah. Taga dyan pala yung bata. Kapitbahay namin nakijoin.
Hi guys. Magluluto.
Again, cut!
Cut. 1, 2, 3, start. Hi guys. Magluluto. Magluluto.
Akala mo madali mag-vlog, ha?
Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome sa kusina ni Bryle. Magluluto. Magluluto kayo.
Taro nga ba?
Magluluto ako ngayon ng pininyahang manok guys at saka garlic shrimp.
dalawa pala.
Pag nandito ako guys, ako yung tagaluto nila guys. Kaya, ay nagibasyo sa kilid pa guys. Kaya minsan lang pumunta dito.
Kasi inaabuso.
Naabuso. Kailap ako guys.
Inaabuso ang chef guys.
Kasi nga daw, sila dalawa nurse. Ako lang yung HRM. Yung HRM guys. Wala talagang minyo.
Mukha niyo. Tarungin mo ang pag-vlog, Brian.
Hinihimay ko na ngayon ang ano guys, sibuyas guys.
Turuan mo
Na
sila.
mapanakit. Pati paghimay ko. Ngayon,
Turuan mo sila
na
magluto
naman.
ba?
Oo, tuturuan ko kayo magluto guys.
Pininyahang manok specialty ni Brian. Hilak naman ka. You're crying already.
Specialty ko kasi.
Di pa nga tayo nagsimula. Iyak ka na. Ayusin mo mag-vlog ba?
So pag-asapos kayo sa mata. Guys. Oh.
Mommy, don't cut anything.
Look at Tito Brian.
I'm crying na. Look.
What?
Yeah,
He's crying. Because we are abusing him.
Abusing.
No, you're just cutting onion.
Who's
Don't
cooking?
cut anything.
Tita Joy, right?
Remove anything there.
Hoy, who's cooking me, no? Ayan.
Ryan, who's cooking always? Tita Joy or Tito Brian?
Oh.
Who's cooking the food? Tita Joy or si Tita Joy?
If I'm not if I'm
I'm not here.
I'm not here, no.
But if Tito Brian here,
Then Tita Joy.
Tita Joy daw ako.
Takot lang siya, guys.
Takot siya kay tita niya, kay Tito.
Ready na yung mga sangkap, guys. Magluluto na tayo, guys. Ilagay na natin tong carrots at saka
Bakit walang takot, bro?
pisik, sobrang pisik. Tapos, hintayin natin mag-brown. Tapos, kakainin natin. Hanga ka mag-Tagalog, oy!
Ayusin mo, ayusin mo.
Oo, kaya na.
Haluin.
Haluin na natin guys. Hanggang mag-golden brown yung patatas. Tapos yun guys, pag ito na yan, katainin na namin.
Sa mukha, uy.
Tapos ito yung ibang sangkap.
Tapos na? Okay na yan, bro?
Ihaon na natin guys. Ayain pala.
Sunog na yan, bro.
Pa yan. Ganyan talaga.
Pulo, no? Ano mo itong HRM?
Punitin natin guys, sayang.
Uy, buwa. Ayusin mo, bro.
Napagod na. Ayusin yun. Hinayin muna natin guys. Hinayin. Lumipad nyo.
Sunog na. Sunog na, guys.
Ay, kung basta.
Hindi ata ito marunong magluto. Ha, guys?
Ganito guys.
Nervous kasi, guys. Nervous.
Lagay natin yung sibuyas. Yan, tayo na.
Bakit sibuyas ang mauna, bro?
Kasi mabilis ma-burn yung ano, yung
Garlic.
Why? Not that one.
Lagay yung garlic. Konti lang guys kasi ano pa kami garlic shrimp.
Mamaya. Nalagay na niya ang ano, guys, ang manok. Hindi niya
Tapos,
ako tinawag, guys, kaya hindi ko na na-vlog kanina.
Napun na ko guys.
Kasalanan po.
Tapos
Laging kasalanan.
tatakpan natin yung taklog. Yan. Kalas!
Next step na tayo, bro.
Anak, para abri-abri.
No, bro.
Di ba kutsilyo ba?
Yeah.
Aman.
Nadiya.
Dali?
Yes. Oh, di ba? Si Ryan at saka si Daddy Ram, nag-jogging na sila. Ako, assistant muna ako ng aking bro. Videographer pala. Ayusin mo yan, bro, ha? Dapat masarap, bro.
Lagyan natin yung juice guys. Pineapple.
Saan ka natutong magluto nito, bro? Sa TikTok University.
TikTok University lang to.
So, nilagyan namin ng pepper at saka ngayon salt.
Ito na mayon so.
Ngayon salt. Ano ka ni mo eh? Oh, ghost na.
Okay, okayin. Wala guys. Ano pa?
Halo kay uli.
Halo-haluin dyan.
Ako naman guys, mag-iisip kung anong lulutuin ko para kay Ram. Wala bang tilang ulam dyan?
Mga anong ulam?
Meron pa ata siyang sambar. Parang pangatlong araw na sambar. Ano naman ang ating lulutuin para kay Daddy Ram.
Iko na lang for ramen.
Kasi for sure, ayaw niya nitong pininyahang manok. Kasi pag matamis, medyo ayaw niya. Matamis na ulam.
Buttered shrimp.
Ah, tama di ay. May buttered shrimp pa pala, guys. Buttered ay. May buttered shrimp pa pala, guys. Okay na?
Lagyan natin ito.
What happened?
Mga gulay guys.
These are your kids.
Hintayin natin hanggang
Just chilling
pumuk.
together with
Lumambot
Lumambot.
ang ating chicken. Takpan ulit.
Aray. Magantay ng mga 30 minutes.
Hinaan ang apoy.
Tama na.
Di na?
Hindi
Okay.
na yun.
Oh,
Ilagay na natin itong evaporated milk.
ito ba ang sikreto mo, Brian? Kaya masarap ang iyong pininyahang manok.
Ito yung sikreto sa TikTok.
Next, boss.
Ilagay natin yung
Pineapple tidbits.
ito yung sikreto sa pininyang manok.
Siyempre. Then, nagpa-fry na din siya ng garlic, guys, sa butter. Then, ito yung ating shrimp. Diba?
Madami tayong ulam ngayon guys.
Of course, kasi may chef kami, guys.
Yun yung hipon guys. Wow! Na
Kailangan nating magluto ng rice, guys. Kasi ito na lang ang ating rice. Kulang ito, guys. Kulang ito sa pamilya. Ayan. Luto tayo ng rice.
guys, ipapatikim.
Wow, luto na daw yan.
Ipapatikim muna natin sa
Expert.
Sarap no?
Very milky. Very milky, Bryle. Pero masarap. Of course, masarap pa rin. Oh, ang shrimp natin dyan. Malapit na rin maluto. Let's go na. Let's eat.
Go!
Oh, we have rice here, oh.
Sarap, Bryle.
Masabaw pa lang yan. Hindi ko natin. Sarap ba puti?
Ano ko naman ay ko.
Shing, mag-vlog ka na, Shing. Happy family. Vlog. Sige na, Shing.
Si Maui daw ko
Maui na lang. Cameraman na lang.
Star. Si Isha Camera. Editor.
Yes.
Mamang na.
Parang Ito ko dyan ako nakuha. Mas worse pa sa iyo, ate.
Pero ano liog?
Liog dyan. Bukog. So, how is it, eh? Pasado ba? Pwede na bang mag-asawa? Pwede ko na matamat, eh. Bakit na-comment ka?
Baka speechless ng pagkaon.
Sobrang sarap. Ang speechless.
Thank you, Brian.
Welcome.
For cooking.
Sahod ko.
Lasang pinya. Alam ang pinya. Pero mas malasang milk.
Napasobrang eh. Kasi comment mo, Shing. Wala kay comment, Shing.
What's your favorite
pineapple. Sala?
Tastes like pineapple daw.
Pineapple.
Oh, kamuno ka. Basher kayo mo ay.
So legit
Uy, bawi!
pinya.
Ay, lagi, bawi! Ano na?
Maui ka. Let's say bye to guys na naman.
Bye guys, bye guys. Go, go, go.
Close the door, Ryan. Alis sila ate. Nabuta. How was your walking, guys?
Very good.
Yeah.
How many steps?
10,000.
Wow, very good.
Right? Enjoy.
Yeah.
I'm improving so much also.
Yeah, the time improved so much, right?
Yeah.
Ben is doing so good. No jogging.
Alam, may bata umiiyak. Parang napansin niya na iniwan siya. Gusto niya lumabas.
So busy.
He wants to go out. He know that they're going somewhere.
He want him to open
You
it.
want him to open the door. Okay, say bye to guys. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye. See you bukas. Peace.